Hello everyone, my name is Prajin Nadar and this video is particularly on how to migrate your Postman collections to Roley. So let's start our demonstration.
So here we can see that I opened the Postman and this is a public API collections. So you can export your own collection also, but for the demo purpose, I'm showing public collections. So here you can see PipeDev API version 1. So we will click on that collection. And after that, you can see that here are the whole APIs. So for exporting, we need to click on three dots and go to more, and here we can see that export collection option is available. So we will click on that. Then we need to export the JSON file. So here I will click on export JSON. So here we can see that we have successfully exported our Postman collection. So now we will go to Roley. Then we will import our collection, which we just exported from Postman. So here you can see that already I have many, APIs. So currently I need to import the collections. So let's import our collections. So here we can see that we have four options like Roley, Postman version 2 collections, Postman version 2.1 collection, then curl. So currently I am importing Postman version 2.1 collection. So we will select that and then upload files. So here it is, just which we have just exported from Postman. So we will click on that and we will open. Yeah, so here you can see that our API is imported successfully. So we will save. So yeah, here you can see that our whole API collection, the API collection is successfully imported and the whole APIs are showing itself. So if I click on any of them, so it will showing the whole APIs, the post, get, delete.
So this was the demonstration, and if you have any kind of doubt then please comment down below and Roley team will immediately work on it.